These are the Daily Tech headlines for Thursday, March 27th, 2026. I'm Rob Dunwood. A federal court granted Anthropic a preliminary injunction blocking a government ban on its products and a supply chain risk label. Judge Rita F. Lynn ruled that the government's action appeared intended to punish Anthropic for refusing to modify contract terms for mass surveillance and autonomous weapons use by the current administration, suggesting illegal First Amendment retaliation for expressing disagreement. Netflix has raised its prices for all its streaming tiers, citing improvements in content and service. The ad-supported plan is now $8.99, up from $7.99. The standard ad-free plan is $19.99, up from $17.99. And the premium plan is $26.99, up from $24.99. Fees for adding an extra user outside of the household have also changed. The ad-supported extra viewer fee dropped to $6.99, while the ad-free extra viewer fee rose to $9.99. New members face these prices immediately, and existing subscribers will be notified by email a month before the new rates take effect. Apple is set to update its Siri assistant with the release of iOS 27, allowing third-party AI services like Google Gemini and Anthropic's Claude to integrate via the new extension system. This initiative aims to strengthen the iPhone as an AI platform, permitting users to route voice queries to competing services and potentially boost revenue from third-party AI subscriptions through the App Store. Apple is expected to announce these features at its Worldwide Developers Conference on June 8th. In other Apple news, the company has officially discontinued the Mac Pro, removing it from its website and confirming there are no plans for future Mac Pro hardware. This positions the Mac Studio, especially with the M3 Ultra chip, as Apple's new high-end Pro desktop, replacing the aging Mac Pro with its M2 Ultra chip and $6,999 price tag. The move simplifies Apple's desktop offerings with the iMac, Mac Mini, and Mac Studio, and is seen as strengthening the Mac lineup, particularly given recent performance enhancements like Mac OS Tahoe 26.2's RDMA features. Sony is increasing the global prices for the PlayStation 5 consoles, Standard, Digital, and Pro, and the PlayStation Portal, effective April 2nd, citing continued pressures in the global economic landscape. U.S. prices will rise to $649.99 for the Standard PS5, $599.99 for the Digital Edition, $899.99 for the PS5 Pro, and $249.99 for the Portal, with similar increases planned for the UK, Europe, and Japan. This marks the second price hike in less than a year and aligns with the rising console prices from other competitors. Meta's oversight board issued a policy advisory opinion criticizing Community Notes as an inadequate replacement for the company's professional third-party fact-checking program, which ended in the U.S. in January of 2025. The board warned that expanding the crowdsourced notes globally poses significant human rights risk and contribute to tangible harms, especially during crises or elections, due to structural issues like the lack of incentive against posting false content and the risk of privileging dominant groups. The non-binding opinion urges Meta to restore professional fact-checking in the U.S. and halt the global rollout of Community Notes in sensitive regions. Google is introducing two new features for Gemini to make it easier for users to switch from other AI chatbots. The first allows users to request a summary of their profile from a competitor's AI and paste it into Gemini. The second and more thorough option enables users to directly import their entire chat history from another AI assistant into Gemini. This move, similar to a recent feature from Anthropic, aims to ensure a seamless transition for users migrating to the Google platform by preserving their personal context and past conversations. Entergy and Meta Platforms have revised their agreement for Meta's planned hyperscale data center in Northeast Louisiana. Meta will now cover the full cost of the service for the facility, which is expected to save Entergy customers nearly $2 billion over 20 years, in addition to the $650 million previously announced. Meta plans to invest about $10 billion in the data center, reflecting the trend of tech companies partnering with utilities to power AI-driven expansion. To support the project, Entergy Louisiana will undertake a major infrastructure build-out, including 7 new natural gas power plants, transmission lines, battery storage, and nuclear power upgrades. And finally, Apple's optional lockdown mode has successfully blocked mercenary spyware attacks like Pegasus for nearly 4 years. It works by disabling features commonly exploited by government spyware, significantly shrinking the attack surface and increasing attack difficulty and cost. Digital rights organizations and security researchers confirm its effectiveness. Experts recommended this highly effective consumer-facing measure for high-risk users despite minor inconveniences. For more analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. You can find show notes and links to all the headlines there as well. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.